Ugandans went to the polls on Thursday in a highly contested election in which President Yoweri Museveni, 81, is widely expected to extend his nearly 4-decade rule. Sadabada mashuko budanyo kopangwa inwe the Uganda election made by internet blackout, technical glitches, and the rigging claims that was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Chipina mnamudanyo kwa mchinzi. The vote has been overshadowed by an internet blackout and technical issues with the newly introduced biometric voting machines. Counting of votes is ongoing in several parts of the country amid growing opposition claims of electoral fraud. Presidential challenger Bobi Wine accused authorities of widespread irregularities. In quotes, massive ballot stuffing reported everywhere. Wine wrote on social media. Although he did not provide documentary evidence, he also claimed that many of his party's polling agents and supervisors were abducted and others chased off polling stations. Authorities are yet to respond to these allegations. Technical failures at polling stations, including malfunctioning biometrics machines, delays in the delivery of voting materials, and connectivity issues due to network outage, caused long queues and disruptions, with some voters waiting up to 4 hours to cast their ballots. Observers in opposition parties have warned that the combination of technical glitches and the restricted communication could undermine the credibility of the elections, with the calls for calm and transparency in the vote counting process. In the quotes, the problems at polling stations are a serious concern, said one opposition official. Speaking on condition of anonymity, we are closely monitoring the situation to ensure that every legitimate vote counts. The 10th election highlights ongoing political divisions in Uganda and raising questions about the fairness and transparency of the country's electoral process. Toma developments aripo kunyika ya Uganda. Pina comment section medu mboza mafunguro emo tulipa msuru pechit kuichi. So unsubscribe or like, watch on the bell icon.